LG makes it easy to diagnose problems that you may have with your front-load washer should you run into any issues, saving you time from calls and services. If an issue occurs, your washer is programmed to display error messages that may help assist you in getting your machine up and ready again. In this video, we will go over some solutions for the UE, IE, DE, and OE error messages. If you receive a UE error message, your washer tub may be out of balance. This can occur if items have gathered on one side of the tub. Rearrange the items in the tub to help balance the load. An IE error message is an indicator that water is not being supplied to your washer or that the water pressure is too low. Make sure that your water lines are properly connected and turned on. Check to see that the water lines are not pinched or bent and that there are no leaks. Next, check to see that your water inlet filters are not clogged. The water pressure must be between 14.5 and 116 psi. An OE error message may occur if the washing machine is draining water slowly or not draining at all. Check to see that the drain hose is properly installed. Make sure that the drain hose is not pinched, clogged, or frozen. If you receive a DE error message, this may mean that the washer tub is unable to rotate. Make sure that the washer door is properly closed and that there are no restrictions. If problems persist, please unplug the power and contact your nearest LG service center.